जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान. Yesterday, we were discussing about a camp that we are planning to organize for the children. So, camps में stories होती हैं. And while discussion, a beautiful story about why Hanumanji's asan is kept came across. And I can't resist, but I would want to share, because अभी भी जो भी करना है आगे भी हनुमान जी को ही करना है, right? We are going to observe that Hanumanji's role is very critical and crucial. So why do we always keep an asan for Hanumanji when the Ram Katha is happening? Why do we always have that space kept? क्योंकि ऐसा मानते हैं कि हनुमान जी स्वयं आके विराजते हैं. He comes and he sits and he listens to the Ram Katha. And multiple times I think we have said, how did this happen? When Shri Ram was going, now Ravan Vadh का दुख क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि अब राम चले जाएंगे, right? राम जी का काम हो गया, कार्य सिद्ध हुआ. So why would he want to stay in this Mrityu Lok anymore? Eventually he'll go. Nobody wants to be in this Mrityu Lok, you know. It is more a punishment. And once the person goes, it is a relief, right? वो बात अलग है, जो पीछे रह जाते हैं उनको दुख होता है. तो हनुमान जी पीछे रह जाने वाले थे, राम जी जाने वाले थे. उनको पता चला, so he came running. He said, I will also go with you. How can you go without me? He said, you have work still, you have work left, you're going to stay here till the creation exists. You cannot leave. So after a lot of जिद्दी, you know, बच्चे भी हमारे से जिद्दी करते हैं, but then जब समझ आ जाता है कि now मम्मी पापा not going to listen, right? So then they say, okay, let's find an alternative. He said, fine, I'm not going with you, but can you give me a वरदान कि जहां जहां राम कथा होगी, जितनी बार राम नाम लिया जाएगा, उतनी बार मैं वहां पहुंचूंगा. And mothers, na, she said, okay, Sita Ma said, yes. But what did Ramji say? He is asking for multiple bodies. अनेक शरीर मांग रहे हैं. तो सीता माँ said, तो क्या बुरा मांग रहे हैं? All he wants is to be present wherever your katha is going on, है ना? ऐसा क्या मांग लिया उनने? तो दे दीजिए ना. जैसे हम लोग भी बोलते हैं ना अपने बच्चों के लिए, अरे कोई बात नहीं, कर दीजिए ना. And so he got the वरदान of multiple bodies. जहां राम भक्त दिल से प्रभु का चिंतन कर रहा होगा, वहां हनुमान आके बैठ जाते. Now, where does this story come in? That once when this story was being said and told, the people said कि ऐसे थोड़ी हो सकता है. How is it possible? This is not possible. So when they said this, they said, ठीक है, why don't you check on your own? So there was this asan which was kept, right? जब अभी तो face to face class नहीं होती है, it is all on Zoom. Before long back in 2014 when we had started, we used to have face to face classes, right? For a very long time till COVID came, right? And in a way it is good. कोविड ने काफ़ी कुछ सिखा दिया कि ऑनलाइन भी कैसे आप कर सकते हैं, पर ठीक है. तो व्हेन एट दोज टाइम्स वी ऑलवेज यूज टू कीप अ सोफा कवर्ड विथ एन ऑरेंज क्लॉथ डेडिकेटेड फॉर हनुमान जी. तो ऐसा हुआ होगा कि वेर एवर दिस डिस्कशन इज हैपनिंग, देयर मस्ट बी अ ब्यूटिफुल आसन फॉर हनुमान जी टू कम एंड सिट एंड एंजॉय द कथा. बट द डिस्कशन वॉज दैट कि ऐसे थोड़ी हो सकता है. तो साधु बाबा से ठीक है, आप जाके व्हाई डोंट यू टेस्ट इट. And this happens to be a real story. So I have heard that they could not move the asan. Not one person, not 10 people, not 15 people. The asan could not be moved. जब हनुमान जी की पूछ भीम नहीं हिला सकते हैं, तो उनका आसन मैं और आप क्या हिला सकते हैं, right? तो this is what is the mahima of Shri Hanuman, who is present with us even today. राम जी के सारे कार्य उनने सिद्ध करे हैं, तो क्या हमारे नहीं कर सकते? पर हाँ, the कार्य should be something that is worth putting his effort into, right? ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को ये चाहिए वो चाहिए. तृष्णा का तो कोई अंत नहीं है. There is no end of desires, right? So as we always say, right, God has given enough for everybody's need, but not for everybody's greed. So saying this with a lot of श्रद्धा कि हनुमान जी एक एक जने के साथ अभी विराजे हैं, we are entering the Ramcharitramanas. We have come towards the end of Lanka Kand. Lanka Kand के बाद में उत्तर कांड अभी पूरा बाकी है. उत्तर कांड है where we get the answers, right, for a lot of questions. So today we are reaching towards the end of Lanka Kand. Last week we saw that Ravan Vadh ho chuka hai. Ravan merged into the Lord, right? When 31 arrows were shot, 1 to the navel, 10 to the heads and 20 to the arms together, and then the body was split into two, a deep light emerged, which entered into Sri Ram himself, right? So there are various forms of mukti, liberation also. सबकी जैसी इच्छा होती है वैसी मुक्ति उनको मिलती है. It is not necessary that everybody has to get dissolved into that divine being. No. There is also a choice over there. So there are 5 forms of mukti, right? 5 तरह की होती है. Samipya, and we have discussed this before. Sayujya, Salokya, Sarupya, and Sarishti. Right? 5 of them. क्या है ये? Samipya, where you want to be near the Lord. भाई I don't want to merge into you. It would be so boring. कोई बोल सकता है ना कि आप में ही मैं हो जाऊं तो मैं आपको ध्याऊंगा कैसे? How will I pray to you? How will I sing your glories? I'd rather be close to you, right? Samipya, when you are seeking proximity, right? Sayujya, where you want to merge into the Lord. कि मुझे रहना ही नहीं है. I just want to become one with you, right? Ultimately we are one with the Lord. The waves have a notion, उनको एक भ्रम होता है. They have the illusion or the delusion that they are separate from the ocean. But the big wave or the small wave or the tiny one which is crashing at the beach, right, are but a part of that divine ocean, right? हम सब उसी अंदर झांकेंगे तो हम वही हैं. But ऊपर से अगर आप चाहें कि नहीं, I want to merge. So that merger is Sayujya, where you become one with the Lord. Then Salokya, कि भाई हमें तो आपके लोक में रहना है. आप वैकुंठ धाम में रहते तो हमें वैकुंठ धाम में रहना है. Prabhu says no problem, that will also be granted. Then there could be a choice that I want to look like you. You're so mesmerizing to me when we describe Ramji, be it in his hermit avatar or his prince avatar or later his king avatar or his avatar where he is battling and sweating and fighting against Ravan, that Rudra avatar. He's mesmerizing, isn't it? तो हम बोले कि प्रभु हमें तो आपके जैसे लगना है. एंड आप देखिएगा, कई बार देखिएगा. Whenever I used to go to, by God's grace, there is a belief that never bind yourself to anyone, कि no, this is the right way and rest is not the right way. So by God's grace, I used to go to a lot of, अभी still do, lots of kirtans, lots of sessions, जहाँ प्रभु का नाम है. जब हनुमान जी does not have a problem in coming and sitting, why do we have a problem? वहां पे तो राम बोला और हनुमान जी आके बैठ जाते, चाहे वो कुटीर हो या बड़े राजा की महल हो या फिर कोई नोवाइस हो या फिर कोई ग्रेट महाज्ञानी हो. तो there, while going to the ISKCON temple, I always used to wonder, this tilak, this kanthi, there is something divine in the ones who have devoted themselves to. Kuch to hai. And this will happen in many places, not only in ISKCON. If you go to these divine ashrams of various gurus, there is some glory, some beauty, some tej on their faces, on the committed ones. And that tej mesmerizes. So that is Sarupya, na? जिसको आप ध्याते हैं, उसके जैसे हो जाते हैं. वो आकर्षण, that attraction comes automatically in that devotee. जिस भी भगवान को आप ध्याएंगे, देखना धीरे 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 आप वैसे बनते जाएंगे. That is the beauty of praying, right? That's why we say, pray daily, think about the Lord daily. Not only will we acquire his beauty, his looks, right? But also the characteristics and the virtues. Just by merely thinking about the Lord. Constantly. Right? So, उसमें स्वरूप है कि मुझे तो आपके जैसे लगना है. And then is प्रभु से हमें opulence चाहिए. Now, Prabhu is not like he has nothing. He is the owner of this entire Shrishti. Racheta hai. He has everything. What is his, not his. So then we can say Sarishti. That we want opulences like you. प्रभु विल से तथास्तु तथास्तु तथास्तु. तू मुझसे मुझको मांगेगा तो भी तथास्तु, तू मुझसे मांगेगा तो भी तथास्तु. राइट? एंड दोनों में फर्क है. जिसने प्रभु से प्रभु को मारा वो तर गया. यू नो, दैट पर्सन गॉट लिबरेटेड. बट दोज हु आस्क्ड फ्रॉम द लॉर्ड आर स्टिल क्राइंग सिटिंग ऑन द ध्रुव तारा. कि जब मौका मिला था, ध्रुव बोलते हैं, छोटे से थे, ध्रुव वॉज वेरी स्मॉल. When I met the Lord, why did I not ask for Him? Why did I ask from Him? But the choice is ours. There is no right, no wrong. This is the beauty of the path of spirituality. कुछ सही गलत तो है ही नहीं. It is a choice. And based on the choice, the path will come, the results will come, the situations will unfold. Right? But destiny सबकी एक ही है. So saying this, what happened was Ravan got absorbed into Sri Ram. Let's get back. So we are starting today from Doha, after Doha number 105 in Lanka Kand. Right? So when all this happened, we saw that Sri Ram, the first thing he did was Adhar Purvak. He sent all, especially Ravan, back to his palace. Because that is the pratha. There was no enmity there. Right? There was no personal hatred. It was a battle which had to be fought. Dharm yudh lad liye. But there was no katuta, कहते हैं ना, that bitterness or hatred was never there in his heart. So with respect, the battle is done, the work is done. With respect, he was sent back. And what happened? We saw Mandodari talking to Ramji, talking about Ramji. And then Vibhishan was crowned king. Sri Ram could not enter, but Lakshmanji and all were sent. He was crowned king. Finally, when all this work was done, नहीं तो होना चाहिए ना कि सबसे पहले भाई सीता को लेके आओ. पर जब सारे काम हो गए विधि पूर्वक, you know, whatever was to be done as per the decorum was done, then Sri Ram summoned Hanuman ji. बोले हनुमान जी एक काम और कर दो. हनुमान जी ने बोला आज्ञा प्रभु, मेरा जन्म तो आपका काम करने के लिए हुआ है. दिस बर्थ इज बिकॉज ऑफ यू. राइट? राम काज कीने बिनु मोहे कहाँ विश्राम. बोले कैन यू प्लीज टेल, गो टू सीता माँ, टेल हर एवरीथिंग, टेल हर अबाउट व्हाट हैज हैपेंड, एंड कैन यू ब्रिंग हर मैसेज बैक टू मी. श्री हनुमान जी विथ अल्टीमेट जॉय, यू नो, मतलब extreme joy, he rushed to Ma Sita, and this is specifically mentioned in our scriptures with a respectable distance. देखिए, there is always a respect in how. कई बार हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हमारे को ये सिखाया नहीं गया. No, in our scriptures it is a holistic thing. How much of a distance should be maintained when we are talking to somebody? What posture should be maintained? How should you be seated? Everything is mentioned. अगर हम उठा के पढ़े तो ना, अदरवाइज विल से ये सब तो कहीं लिखा हुआ नहीं है. एटिकेट्स, सिविक सेंस आर एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ आवर स्क्रिप्चर्स. आवर स्क्रिप्चर्स आर अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. राइट? ये तो हम गुरुकुल की प्रथा है जहां पे सब कुछ सिखाया जाता है. सो ओवर हियर द स्पेसिफिक मेंशन इज विद अ रिस्पेक्टेबल डिस्टेंस ही एंटर्स, and all the demons and all the Trijata, all the Rakshasis, they greet him. Ma Sita looks at Hanuman. She's so overwhelmed that her son has come back, and he tells her the entire thing that has happened. Ki sab ho gaya. All is done. Ram, Lakshman, they are fine. Everything is ready. The battle has been won. And Ma is overjoyed. She is overjoyed first to see Hanumanji, second to know about what has conspired, and now she says, can you somehow take me back? You know, when will I get to see him with my own eyes? And he says, let me just go back and confirm and come back. Because उनको है ना, हनुमान जी is very particular. जितनी आज्ञा उससे ज्यादा नहीं करते, है ना. तो उनको आज्ञा थी कि मैसेज देके आओ, तो मैसेज देने आ गए. उनको ये आज्ञा नहीं थी कि माँ सीता को लेके आओ. Right? Because see, it is good to act ahead, but we do not know ना कि प्रभु के मन में क्या चल रहा है. हनुमान जी was very sure कि प्रभु के मन में जो चल रहा है वो अच्छा चल रहा है. If he has told me to do this much, I think this is it. But what happens to us is we doubt his plans. हमें पूरा दिखता नहीं है, whatever little we can see, we feel that he has betrayed us at times. But nahi, he would never do that. Everything is as per plan. So now Hanumanji took all the details, he talked to her, he told her everything. He took all the blessings from Ma. She says, listen Hanuman, my son, suno sut, sadgun sakal. He says, sare sadgun tum mein rahe. Tav hriday basahu Hanumant. कि may all commendable virtues abide in your heart. इससे ज़्यादा क्या वरदान हो सकता है? Is there any other vardhan other than the fact that virtues always abide in us and they never leave us, irrespective of what the situation? इससे बड़ा कोई वरदान नहीं हो सकता, I feel. So she said, tells him, and forever and ever and ever, may Anant, Lakshman and Ram reside in your heart. With this blessing, he is overwhelmed. He rushes back to Sri Ram. He conveys the entire message and he says, now when do I bring back माँ? पहले भी उनको जल्दी थी कि मैं माँ को कब लेके आऊं, अब राम जी को तो जल्दी हो रही नहीं है. He said, when do I bring her back? तो हनुमान जी को बोलते ठीक है, you go, you take Angad and Vibhishan with you. Now Hanuman ji is going back to bring माँ. अब माँ को रेडी कर रहे हैं. There's a beautiful description that Ma is being, dressed up. Lots of ornaments are being put on her. She is being prepared. A palki has been created. So she sits in the palki and everybody is slowly moving. All the Vanars are just piling on to have a glimpse of Ma. हमारा भी तो यही है ना, संतोष की एक झलक मिल जाए हमें, हमारा जीवन धन्य हो जाए, राइट? दौड़ तो सारी यही है, संतोष की है. हम उसको नाम अलग अलग दे देते हैं. Sometimes we call it joy, sometimes we call it, achievements. But what are we looking for? We are looking for contentment. So the monkeys, the Vanars, all the thoughts are rushing towards contentment. They just want to have a glimpse of Ma Sita. Shri Ram understands. Shri Ram says, Ma ko palki se utaro, remove her. Ask her to walk the path. So that everybody can have a look at Ma. These Vanars are her children and they have a right to have a look at her. Blessed were those Vanars जिनने माँ सीता के साक्षात दर्शन करे होंगे. माँ सीता got off and she started walking slowly towards Sri Hari. And at that time, the most controversial thing happened. हम लोग बाकी सब भूल जाते हैं, controversies याद रखते हैं. हम सबके गुण भूल जाते हैं, अवगुण याद रखते हैं, right? We forget all the good times we have, but the bad times don't let us sleep at night. So this is the most controversial part, one of the most controversial part in Ramcharitramanas, but not so controversial if we look at the depth of it. So Ma is asked to stop at her path, है ना? और Tulsi Baba है ना? Tulsi Baba cannot be so harsh to Ma, and she cannot talk about the harsh words that Ramji said to Ma. So he said, Ramji, due to some reason, asked her to stop on the path and rebukes her. Oh, it was for, what was the reason? Just imagine, she has been asked to stop and some words which are not to be said are said and Ma listens quietly. But let us not forget what had happened in Aranyakand. Before Ravan was supposed to come and get Ma, Ramji and Sita Ma, when Lakshman was at a distance, had a discussion ki Sita, with your tej, you are the Jagat Ma, you are the creator, you are everything, you are the soul. देखिए, प्रभु है ना, and माँ प्रकृति है. Prabhu cannot do anything without her. So let alone come near you, he cannot even look at you from a distance. So what do you need to do? You need to go into the fire, leave your shadow behind so that this play can unfold. And Ma abided. Ma said, "ठीक है, I'll enter the fire. I'll leave my shadow behind. And when the time is right, मुझे बुला लेना, late मत करना देखो." Ramji said, "ठीक है." And we know Ramji. No matter what, even the shadow he will not let come close to her. Other than Sita Ma, nobody can come close to her. So he stopped her there and then. कि भाई तुम मत आओ, मेरे को तो मेरी सीता चाहिए. Nobody knew about this, not even Lakshman, not even the Devs. So everybody got so hurt, the Vanars, and till date we say how cruel could somebody be. औरतों को ही अग्नि परीक्षा देनी पड़ती है, पर ये वाली अग्नि परीक्षा कुछ अलग थी, right? So after that, she said, "Okay, Lakshman, you be the priest. light a fire. Lakshman said, why me? What did I do? But माँ बोल रही होगी ना, because of I did not follow your Lakshman Rekha thing, this has all happened. Now it is your turn to undo everything. Chal. So she lit the fire and Ma just joined her hands and she says very beautifully, if in thought, word and deed, I have never set my heart on anyone other than the hero of Raghuline, that's Sri Ram. May this fire, which knows the working of all minds, become cool like the sandal paste to me. Saying this, she entered it. Hahakar mach raha hai. Just imagine, nobody knows about it other than Ma Sita and Ramji. It's the deepest of secret. Everybody feels that how could he? What is happening? ऐसा कैसे कोई कर सकता है? कोई किसी की अग्नि परीक्षा कैसे ले सकता है? But think of it ना, अग्नि परीक्षा हम सबकी भी होती है, प्रभु लेते ही रहते हैं. Time and again, we feel as if he is making us pass through fire. But trust me, it is not because he hates us. It is not because he doubts us. It is so that our true self, like Ma's true self, comes out. So through any ordeal, let not our faith in God waver. चाहे कुछ भी क्यों ना हो, that memory of the Lord, that loving face and that loving care and that belief कि जो कुछ भी हो रहा है is for the better. We should walk. Just like माँ सीता walked into the fire. देखिए, जिसका दिल साफ है ना, in thought, word and deed, कहते हैं ना, जाको राके साइया मार सके ना कोई, बाल ना बाका कर सके जो जग बहरी होई. प्रभु का हाथ जिस पे है ना, उसका कोई कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता. But see, the definition of bigadna is also very confused. What our materialistic definition of bigadna could be very different from his definition of bigadna. क्या पता हमें लग रहा हो जो काम बिगड़ गया है वो उनकी भाषा में सुधर गया हो. Like, oh no, this is a blessing. Now you see कि क्या चमक के निखार आएगा आगे. And it is said when Ma entered the fire, it was as if she started glowing. Her tej was so strong, जो अभी तक उनको देख पा रहे थे, they just could not look. That is why he said, ना, let everybody look. इसके बाद में आज के बाद कोई सीता को देख नहीं पाएगा. Nobody could. Lakshman तो till date had never looked at her. He had only seen her feet. And again, the situation, the eyes which were looking straight, went straight to the feet because the tej was so strong. And it is said that the Agni Dev came, Agni took a form, held Ma Sita's hand and slowly brought Ma Sita back to Sri Ram. Agni Dev स्वयं निकल के आए और माँ सीता को राम जी के पास ले गए. पर ये कौन कर सकता है? This माँ सीता, who says in our scriptures, women are depicted as weak. इतनी शक्ति, इतनी ताकत माँ सीता में थी. पूरी रामचरित्र मानस, रामायण ही माँ सीता से थी. She was the soul of the entire document, entire historical document, entire ग्रंथ. So अग्नि देव ने हाथ पकड़ा और माँ को स्वयं ले गए. And the description is so beautiful, like a small golden lily, delicate one, is standing next to a blue lotus. And the heavens are showering flowers. The Vanars are singing Jaikara. There was as if it was so beautiful. जैसे कहते हैं ना, जैसे कि पता नहीं पार्वती और शिव जी का जब विवाह होता है, जो उल्लास होता है ना, that beauty, that joy is there. There was so much of joy when both of them met. The sky was covered by aerial carts. One dev after another, one sadhu after another. The entire Shrishti had just accumulated in this particular realm, in this particular Treta Yuga, when Ma Sita and Ramji met again. Because we know, right, there are multiple yugs and multiple galaxies and multiple Ramcharitramanas is happening, multiple Tretas. So sab yahan ikatthe ho gaye, sochiye. And there was joy and joy and joy. The shower of flower did not stop. Bliss, total bliss. At that time, Ma came and sat or stood next to Ramji at the left side. And everybody had blissful darshan. When the joy, the drums, the trumpets, the sound subsided a bit, the charioteer of Indradev, he came and he said, he joined his hands and he said, now I'll take your leave. Uska kaam ho kya tha? The Lord said, theek hai, you can go. And he left. The Lord is standing, and every Dev at that time, be it Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, Vishnu का जिक्र यहाँ नहीं है, Brahma, Mahesh और Indradev, they had stutis. देखिए stutis, जो when we read a lot of stutis, it's always so beautiful. There was a point when Dhruv was very small. Now that we have talked about Dhruv, he was just 5 and we know the entire story. He was rebuked by his stepmother. So he went to the Lord and he did a lot of tapasya under the direction of Narad Muni. So ऐसा हुआ कि the Lord actually came. When the Lord actually came, there was so much he wanted to talk to the Lord about, but he became mum. कुछ मुंह से निकल ही नहीं रहा है, right? So what the Lord did is, he took his conch and he touched it to his, lips or the head. And then the stutis started pouring out. See, all the stutis that we read have come from the heart which was touched by the Lord. चाहे वो शंकराचार्य की हो, चाहे वो और किसी गुरु की हो. So over here, all the devs, they came out with stutis. Automatically, stutis started flowing. And in every stuti, be it Brahmaji's stuti, or be it Indradev's stuti, or be it any other Dev's stuti, Shivji's stuti, they started describing and singing the glories of the Lord. एक के बाद एक स्तुतिस हम अभी यहाँ करेंगे नहीं. आप लोग प्लीज टेक योर टाइम एंड रीड द स्तुतिस. दे स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग द ग्लोरीज ऑफ द लॉर्ड एंड द लॉर्ड इज लिसनिंग पेशेंटली कि जिसको जो बोलना है आप बोल लीजिए. देखिए, वी हैव टू रिमेंबर ओवर हियर दैट तुलसी बाबा समहाउ was not very in favor of the devs, है ना. आप जब भी रामचरितमानस पढ़ेंगे, you will come to it. So over here, while he is talking about the stutis sung by all the devs, he is also saying very beautifully कि ठीक है, the charioteer left and after bowing his head to the Lord's feet, ठीक है, he left. Now came the gods, and what does he say about the gods? Ever alive to their own selfish interest. Now Tulsi Baba has this in across the Ramcharitramanas कि बोलेंगे देव जो है ना, they have their own vested selfish interest, right? And they started speaking such words as though they were the seekers of the highest truth. But it's a pun. Again and again, whenever he mentions devs, whenever he mentions these, he'll say they pretend to be the seekers of the higher truth, but they have only their self-interest in mind. And when he's talking about those devs, think about it. What is he talking about? Yes, outside, it could be Indradev and all these, but inside, all the organs. हमारा जो मन है, हमारी जो आंखें हैं, हमारी जो मुंह है, कई बार we talk about such divine people as if nothing but higher truth is what we want, but there is so much of selfish interest in all our indriyas, isn't it? So somehow whenever he says dev, we should turn towards the devs which are inside us. But nevertheless, he said, let them sing the glory, and they started singing the glory of the Lord. And what the devs are saying is, we gods are supremely qualified for the higher state. See? Because these devs are supremely qualified. Be the devs inside or be Indradev, Brahmaji or all the devs which are outside. They are sitting in heaven. So they are supremely qualified. Yet, devoted as we are to our own selfish ends, we have forgotten the worship of our Lord and are ever involved in the flood of birth and death. क्या करते? Because यहाँ पे बहुत सुनते हैं, हम देवता परम अधिकारी. We are, मतलब जो भी देव है वो परम अधिकारी है. अधिकारी is the person who is eligible, right? वो कर सकते हैं कि हम देवता परम अधिकारी स्वार्थ रत प्रभु भगति विसारी. ब्यूटिफुल है ये. थिंक ऑफ इट. हम भी ऐसे नहीं है क्या? मनुष्य जीवन कितनी मुश्किल से मिलता है, राइट? वी आर अधिकारी टू गेट द हाईएस्ट स्टेट. Many say that Lord has made us in His own form. But because of our selfish interests, selfish desires, selfish needs, what have we done? Bhakti chhod di, bhakti bisari. So over here they are saying, It is only because of our selfish interest, and because of that, we are turning and going around this bhav sagar. Life, death, thak jate hain from one species to another species. जाए जा रहे. Why? Because हमने भक्ति छोड़ दी है. In spite of being eligible, in spite of being adhikari, in spite of having everything in place, by God's grace, whoever is sitting here at this time, 11 बजे 11:30 बजे जो यहाँ बैठा है, जिसको ना काम की चिंता है, ना मतलब किसी के यहाँ पे कोई करने जाना है, कुछ है, आराम से हम बैठे हैं, तो हम तो अधिकारी है ना. ठाकुर जी ने तो सब कुछ दे दिया. He has given us the time, the means, the luxury, everything is there. Yet we are not doing it. So, अधिकारी हमारे से ज्यादा कौन हो सकता है? पर what they are saying, फिर भी भक्ति बिसार दी. पर आप बोलोगे हम बैठे हैं तो भक्ति तो है ना. Yes, point तो है, point है, right? But still, so he is saying what has happened is because of that we are rolling around in life and death, पार ही नहीं लग पा रहे. And then Indradev starts singing this beautiful stuti, which I have already shared, and I'll share the write-up because each word is very, very important. But the most important word is he addresses Lord as the subduer of arrogance, lust, and false sense of mindness. Everything else is a result of this. What is it? Arrogance, lust, and the biggest folly is the false sense of mind. मेरा बच्चा, मेरा घर, मेरा पति, मेरा परिवार, मेरा. And the reality is कुछ भी तेरा नहीं है. Nothing is yours. Not even your children. Your children are through you, they are not yours. सबकी अपनी अपनी जर्नी है. Just like we sit in a train compartment, सबको अपने अपने डेस्टिनेशन पे जाना है. चार शब्द बोलते हैं, फिर सब अपने अपने स्टॉप्स पे उतर जाते हैं. It is as simple as that. What is yours? Just till this money and this house is supposed to be with you, it will stay with you. In a blink, everything goes. पता ही नहीं चलता. What is yours? Nothing. So he's saying you are the only one. कौन बोल रहे हैं? Brahmadev, who has created everything. He's saying you are the only one who can take away this false sense of mindness. मेरा तुम ही एक हटा सकते हो प्रभु. And there goes the stuti. Once this stuti is over, just imagine, ये स्तुति खत्म होती है, then who comes? Dashrath ji. Now Dashrath ji has been waiting, but you will ask कि Dashrath ji, when his last words were Ram, everybody got merged, everybody got liberated. How come Dashrath ji is still there in heaven? We know, right? Heaven is not the final destination. हमारे साधु, सन्यासी, गुरु कोई भी स्वर्ग नहीं जाना चाहते. Why? Because स्वर्ग में क्या होता है ना, you can only expense your good deeds. Whatever you have done, you can use it. The minute the पुण्य का खाता 0 होगा, you will be kicked out. Not only door खोल के cordially भी नहीं बोलेंगे आप चले जाइए. They'll kick you out and you'll come back down to मृत्यु लोक. स्वर्ग के आगे की दौड़ है सबकी. So how could Dashrath Maharaj get stuck in स्वर्ग लोक? The thought will come to our mind, right? Because he also said Ram, and then he passed away. Because that Ram that he said probably was not the Ram, that divine Satchid Anand Swarup, but Ram, mera pati, mera beta. That was coming out in his mouth. Ki my son. Somehow, yes, the qualities were there, he was the father, but yet that bond was still there, so it could not take him beyond. Or when Tulsi Baba mellows it down beautifully, he says Radha Dashrath did not attain final moksha. Why? Because, very beautifully, simple reason, that he set his heart on devotion. आप ये क्यों सोचते हैं? Probably he wanted to be devoted because we talked about different forms of liberation, right? So his form of devotion was probably samipya. He just wanted to look at the Lord and keep worshipping the Lord. He did not want to become one with the Lord, right? So that is why he was given that state. Now we can speculate. कुछ भी हो सकता है. But Raja Dashrath came. He came, he looked at Ram, he talked to Ramji. Ramji said, it is because of your blessings, dear father, that this was achievable. And Ramji did Dandvat Pranam to Raja Dashrath. Raja Dashrath blessed them and he went back to heaven. So Raja Dashrath bhi aaye. He was seeing everything. Kaha tha na कि रावण, don't tell my father anybody. Whom did he say this to? It was to Jatayu, right? कि आप किसी को भी मत बोलना. It is when Ram goes back to heaven, because the Lord knew कि he is in heaven. When Ravan goes there, he is going to tell himself कि क्या हुआ है यहाँ पे. आप मत बताइएगा. So this is done. Raja Dashrath came. Raja Dashrath left. And when Raja Dashrath left, Indradev came. Indradev is always equated to our Indriyas. Hamesha. Indradev aate hain and Indradev says, now listen, my lord. He's singing a stuti and he tells him, listen, my lord. Kya bolte hain? Possessed of eyes as large as the lotus and compassionate to the humble, my pride was inordinate. Right? I accounted no one as equal to me. At the sight of your lotus feet, however, my pride, which entails much woe, has taken leave of me. Indradev में इतनी, कहते ना मैं इंद्र हूँ, and we listen to so many stories of the Indradev outside, but our Indriyas are also that. There is so much of pride, so much of confidence that there is nothing, nobody who is equal to me. Kahin na kahin, these Indriyas have it in it. But when does this pride take leave? It is only when the Lord takes His place in our hearts. There is no other way to get rid of this pride. Indradev sings this great stuti to the Lord, कि you have subdued me. Now my ego is gone. The thought that there is nobody equal to me is gone. I surrender. Surrendering is very difficult. Because हमें लगता है कि नहीं, why should I? No. He bows his head to the Lord over here. Indradev Gai, the stuti is very beautiful. It is like, we can read it, we can learn it. Better to learn Brahmaji's stuti. And then at that time, the Lord tells Indradev, can you do me a little favor? Indradev said, बोलिए, अब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो प्रभु नहीं कर सकते थे. Now, why is it? This is a reminder to us. There is nothing that the Lord himself cannot do. But वो किसी ना किसी को निमित्त बना लेते हैं. This is a reminder. Now he tells Indradev, can you do me a favor? All these Vanars and the Bhalus who have been, who are lying here and there, who have lost their breath during the battle, I want them to be alive again. Indradev says, Tathastu. So what he did is, he sprinkled the nectar on everything. Now the thought will come, कि why only the Bhalus and the bears and not the demons? Is the Lord partial? No, the Lord is not partial. देखिए, when the demons and the Daityas and all the Rakshasas were fighting, they had only one thought in their mind. It was Ram. And we realized that all of them got absorbed into the Lord only. हाँ या नहीं? जब उनने मस्तिष्क फेंका, सारा सब प्रभु के अंदर merge हो गए. किंतु when these Bhalus and bears were fighting, they did not have the Lord in their mind. Right? So, वापस उनको जीवित करा. But there is another thing. If you remember when we had started Ramcharitramanas, it was said that the time for the Lord's birth has come. Ravan has created so much of havoc. He's become so atrocious that now the Lord is going to take birth. At that time, all the Devas, all the Shaktis, they took births and they took the form of various Vanars and Bhalus and they waited for the Lord to come to the forest. Yes, it is clearly mentioned in the beginning of Ramcharitramanas. So, भाई ये तो एक प्रभु का अंश ही थे. तो these will go with the प्रभु ना, तो प्रभु तो यहीं पे है. So that is why it is not because of partiality towards them and against the demons. No. He said, let them come back to life. And बाकियों को तो already मोक्ष मिल चुका है. They have already merged into me. Hence, there is no partiality whatsoever. Everything, everybody, every path, there's no partiality. Grace is there for everybody equally. प्रभु कभी biased हो ही नहीं सकते. So, as the monkeys and the bears, they were all part manifestation of the gods, right? Who are all immortal. वैसे भी वो immortal है. And the rest have already merged. So Indradev obliged. ठाकुर जी के हाथ में क्या नहीं है, वो जो चाहे कर सकते हैं. It was possible that Sri Ram could have done it himself, but he said no. Indra, तुम निमित्त बन जाओ. So in life, whenever God gives us the opportunity to serve, or God gives us an opportunity to give, or God gives us an opportunity to do something meaningful, let this reminder be there that it is not impossible for the Lord to feed the thirsty himself. वो बिना हाथ के देता है, बिना आँख के देखता है, बिना मुंह के बोलता है, बिना नाक के सूंघता है, बिना पैर के चलता है. उसको हमारी जरूरत नहीं है. एक बार ना, दिस स्टोरी वी हैड टोल्ड दिस चिल्ड्रन. शिवाजी महाराज यूज्ड टू क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स. उन्होंने बहुत सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स कि सबको जॉब मिलता रहे, employment is there so that people get fed. So very nice at heart. And one fine day, by chance, a thought came to his mind कि because of me they are fed. If I would not have created these structures, this would not have happened. And basically कहते हैं ना, गुरु होना बहुत जरूरी होता है. So Ramdas ji, from a distance, he read the thought and he shouted, Shiva chal. When a guru says Shiva chal, it does not mean whether you're sitting on the throne or you're a Chakravarti Maharaj. When guru says Shiva khada ho ja chal, Shiva khada ho ja aur chal. And he said, hathoda saath mein le lena. Take a hammer with you. He took a hammer. Guruji ne bola chal, so he's walking, did not even think. He left the sabha and he's walking, and they reached a very big parvat, chattan ekdam, and mountain, and he said, now start hitting it with your hammer. Shivaji Maharaj in his mind is thinking, there's so many people working on the construction sites, but hathoda Guru mujhse hi chalwayenge. But Guru ne bol diya, so Shivaji would never say no. He started hitting. Days went by when finally he was able to enter and go to the center of that big huge chattan, and uske beach mein there was a squirrel, and uske beach mein there was a water ki dhar. And Ramdas ji bolte, क्यों? इसको भी खाना तो ही दे रहा है क्या? कभी भी ये भ्रम नहीं होना चाहिए कि हम नहीं होते तो. Nobody is indispensable. Lord is capable. किसी की जरूरत नहीं है. It's a humble reminder. So इंद्रदेव के बिना क्या भालू बानर जीवित नहीं होते? They became to life again. And again what happened was, Shivji could not hold back, Shivji came running. Shivji is there. He waits for Sri Ram, Sri Hari. कहते हैं ना कि हरि और हर, they are best friends. अक्सर क्या हो जाता है ना, लड़ाई भक्तों में हो जाती है. भगवान में ऐसा कोई भेद नहीं है आपस में. शैवयाइट्स एंड वैष्णवाइट्स, किसने क्या, सब एक ही है. अल्टीमेटली इट इज दैट वन एनर्जी विच इज डांसिंग अराउंड इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स. सो यहाँ शिव जी पहुंचे राम जी से मिलने, राम जी के चरण वंदना, वहां शिव जी शिवलिंग लगाते हैं. यहाँ राम जी शिवलिंग की पूजा करते हैं. यहाँ शिव जी इज डांसिंग टू मीट राम जी, एंड दे मीट एंड ही टॉक्स, एंड इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुली ही सेज व्हाट, सेव मी. क्या है? सेव मी. ब्यूटिफुली ही सेज मम विरक्षा रघुकुल नायक, कि सेव मी रघुकुल नायक. धृत बर चाप रुचिर कर सायक, bearing an excellent bow and shining arrow in your hand. Save me, O Lord, save me. हमें भी बार बार बोलना चाहिए, प्रभु रक्षा करो, रक्षा करो, रक्षा करो. किससे रक्षा करो? अपने अहम से. Protect me from my ego, protect me from my अहंकार, protect me from my विकार्स. That's it. उससे रक्षा करो. तो शिव जी क्या बोल रहे हैं? मोह महा घनपतल प्रपंचा. What is he saying? A furious wind to disperse the mass of clouds in the shape of colossal ignorance, a fire to consume the forest of doubt, and delight of the gods. क्या बोल रहे हैं? रक्षा करो, disperse ignorance, disperse doubt, disperse all the negativity and delight the gods. रक्षा करो, रक्षा करो. And he talks and he sings and he says, when you're going to be crowned king, I'm going to be there again. मैं वापस आऊंगा. This union of both Ram and Shiv, Ram ji ke Ishdev Shiv and Shiv ji ke Ishdev Ram, is so beautiful. Once this is done, he is ready to depart. Without Shiv ji's permission, Ram ji never moved. So tab to Shivling banaya to make the what? The bridge, right? Now Sakshat Shivi aa gaye to go back on the bridge. यहाँ पे कहाँ था शिवलिंग? See, now Shivji, when he came from that tip to Lanka, he made a shivling, right? He prayed to the shivling, then he crossed the ocean. So abhi, the Lord said, Chodo, you don't make the shivling, I'll come myself. I'll give you the anumati to cross the ocean again. So reverse journey chalu ho gayi hai. And with this, Vibhishan came running. He said, Ruki, there is still time. My treasury is open. Everything is yours. Why don't you take whatever you want and distribute it to all the Vanars? Prabhu said, listen, I can't enter the city, nor do I have the time. Bharat wait kara. Ab ho gaya. Ab Prabhu says, now I can't wait. My Bharat is waiting. And if I get delayed, I might not be able to meet him also. Ab main aur vilamb nahi kar sakta. But if you so insist, you gather whatever you want. And all of them, the Vanars are there. The Lord talks to the Vanars. He tells them that it is because of you that I have been able to accomplish this. The Vanar said, aise mat boliye, sharminda mat kijiye. What you have said right now is not right. Aapne jo abhi bola, is there anything possible without your glory? We are but the puppets in your hand. If anything has been done, it is because of you, my Lord. This discussion is going on, and the beauty is when Vibhishan boards Angad, Hanuman, Sugriv, Ram, Lakshman, Ma, Sita, they all get onto the Pushpak Viman. Pushpak Viman goes up, and the Lord says, now distribute. See, Prabhu sab jante hain. He says, if it is your wish, go ahead, try it, do it. Isme koi problem nahi hai. So the Lord is sitting. Vibhishan, you want to distribute? Distribute. And Vibhishan throws jewels, clothes, necklaces, all as if he is emptying the entire treasury. लंका बिलोंग टू कुबेर पहले ना, सोचिए ना, क्या सोने की लंका थी, क्या बारिश हो रही होगी वहां पे. एंड दीज वानर्स, दे गो, दे टेक इट, एंड इनोसेंटली व्हाट दे डू इज दे पुट दैट रूबी इनटू देयर माउथ. उनको लगता है कि कोई फल होगा, है ना. उनको क्या लाखों करोड़ों के जेवर से उनको क्या लेना देना, सब माया मिथ्या पत्थर है. उनको पता था, हमें नहीं पता है ना. तो they took it into their mouth and threw it. कह रहे, it is not even edible. What is this? But अब प्रभु ने फिकवाया है तो ठीक है. For his joy and his grace, they tried to put the crown or this and that and the clothes, and they are looking कि प्रभु, if this is what you want, ठीक है, पहन लिया. And the Lord is so humored by everything that is happening, and Vibhishan realizes कि जिसके पास में प्रभु है उसको कोई कुछ दे सकता है क्या? उसको क्या ये पत्थर कंकड़ से क्या लेना देना? जिसका मन ही फकीरी में लग गया है उसको कोई मतलब नहीं है इन चीजों से. But still the Vanars obliged कि if this is what is making my Lord happy, it's so be it. They were looking so cute. I would like to use the word very, very cute. And just imagine, पता है, in Uttarakhand there will be a phase where we'll realize achieving the Lord is so difficult. It is not easy. यहाँ पे बोलते हैं ना, the ocean of compassion whom sages are unable to catch even in meditation. Even if janmo janmo tak you're meditating, whom the Vedas describe only as neti neti. Muni जह ध्यान ना पावही. Continuous ध्यान में सैकड़ों वर्ष, हजारों तक if somebody is sitting, it is not easy to attain Lord. Just because ध्यान कर लोगे तो आपको क्या भगवान मिल जाएंगे? नेति नेति कह वेद. कैन वी डिस्क्राइब द लॉर्ड? कोई बोलता है ना कि यस आई कैन डिस्क्राइब द लॉर्ड, संभव ही नहीं है. द डिस्क्रिप्शन स्टार्ट्स एज द लॉर्ड इज लाइक दिस, द लॉर्ड इज लाइक दिस, द लॉर्ड इज लाइक दिस, ऐसे भी है, वैसे भी है, वैसे भी है. एंड देन यूल से अच्छा तो ऐसे है, देन यूल से नो 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 नो, नेति नेति नेति, ऐसे भी नहीं है, वैसे भी नहीं है, वैसे भी नहीं है, वैसे भी नहीं है. इवन द वेद्स कांट डिस्क्राइब हिज ग्लोरी, राइट. मुनि जो ध्यान में बैठे हैं, दे कांट रीच हिम. एंड देन व्हाट डू दे से? Not that, they assume and amuse. And what is happening over here? जिसको ऐसा है, इतना दुर्लभ है, it is so difficult to gain that Lord. What is he? कृपा सिंधु सोई कपिन सन. कृपा सिंधु सोई कपिन संग करत अनेक विनोद. और यही प्रभु इन सिंपल, सीधे साधे, इनोसेंट से वानरों के साथ में मस्ती मजाक कर रहे हैं. It is no rocket science to get the Lord. The secret is right here, towards the end of Lanka Kand and bar towards Ramayana. They remind us And who is talking? Again and again, Shivji is talking to Parvati, right? All the scriptures are a dialogue between Shivji and Ma Parvati. Uma jog jap dan tap नाना मख व्रत नेम. क्या है? सुनो उमा, क्या है? जोग, योग, जप, charity, penance, performance of sacrifice, fasting and other religious observance fail to invoke Shri Ram. उमा जोग जप दान तप नाना मख व्रत नेम, राम कृपा नहीं करहि तसी, जसी निष्केवल प्रेम. किसी को भी कृपा नहीं मिलेगी. Who is the one who will get the Lord's kripa? Who has nishkeval prem. What is nishkeval prem? Maybe we should understand, underline and remember. What is this? Unalloyed devotion. प्रेम, प्रेम, प्यार. ये जो 2.5 अक्षर का शब्द है ना, that is enough to win the Lord. In thought, word and deed, अगर हमें भगवान से प्यार हो जाए तो. कहते हैं ना, पोथा पढ़ पर जग मुआ, पंडित भया ना कोई, 2.5 आखर प्रेम के पढ़े सो पंडित हुई. तो शिवजी उमा को बोल रहे हैं, everything else fails. The one thing that prevails is true love towards the Lord, true devotion towards the Lord. And see, these Vanars had it. जहां कोई प्रभु को पा नहीं पाता, देख नहीं पाता, nobody can reach the end of the Lord. These Vanars are so blessed that the Lord is having such a beautiful time with them. Each Vanar feels as though the Lord is sitting and laughing with him. And he is dressing for that Lord only. This is the glory of the Lord. Now this is done. अब शुरू होती है रिवर्स जर्नी कि चलो वापस चलते हैं. सो व्हेन दे आर गोइंग बैक, इट इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. अब राम और माँ सीता बैठ गए है ना, वेरी स्वीटली दे आर सिटिंग. एंड नाउ राम जी स्टार्ट्स. पता है सीता, दिस इज वेयर दिस हैपेंड, दिस इज वेयर ये हुआ था. यहाँ पे लक्ष्मण शॉर्ट अक्षय कुमार. एंड नाउ रिवर्स में it is like a recap होता है ना of the story. The reverse journey starts because Ma Sita was not there. So Ramji is sitting and telling her every place. This is where I sat. This is where I talked to this. This is where I met this sage. This is where we did this. This is where Khardushan, at that time you were there. This, and then he's talking to her. Shabri के बारे में बताया. The entire journey, entire trail is going back. Where? In that Pushpak Viman, and Ma is listening and talking and they are looking, and finally through the trail they reach Bharadwaj Rishi ka ashram, Agastya Muni ka ashram, Bharadwaj Rishi ka ashram, and they had said on the way back, पहले हम प्रयाग रुकेंगे and then Ganga Ma की स्तुति करेंगे. Before that we'll go to the Bharadwaj ashram, and at that time once Prayag स्तुति is done, they reach Bharadwaj Rishi ka ashram and Ramji turns to Hanuman, Hanuman तुम जाओ, I am going to get a little late, but you go. Make sure Bharat is fine. Tell Bharat, give him the news that I am coming, and after giving him the news, please come back. देखिए, without भक्ति ना प्रभु नहीं आएंगे. Without devotion, प्रभु नहीं आएंगे. Without प्रेम, प्रभु नहीं आएंगे. The bridge between a devotee and the God is Hanuman. It is bhakti. It is प्रेम. बार बार आप देखिए, माँ सीता को बुलाने हनुमान गए, भरत को बताने हनुमान गए, राम को बुलाने हनुमान आए. All that is needed is pure love and devotion that Hanuman ji stands for. ये है हमारे हनुमान. Hanuman ji is sent, and over here he visits Bharadwaj Rishi's ashram. Guha figures out, oh my God, Ramji is coming back, and he says, get the boats, not knowing कि अब तो वो पुष्पक विमान से आ रहे हैं, right? The boats are not needed. And as soon as he gets down from the Pushpak Viman, he hugs Guha. Who says in our scriptures, ऊंच नीच का भेद है, पढ़ने लगो तो कोई भेद नहीं है. There is no भेद, no casteism, no ऊंचा और नीचा, nothing. Prabhu rushes to Guha and hugs him as if he is hugging Bharat. बोले तुम ठीक तो हो? बोला आपको देख लिया, अब ठीक हो गया. I've been waiting for you to come back. And while all this is happening, Shri Hanuman ji is flying with full speed towards Bharat to let him know. And with this beautiful description, Lanka Kand comes to a end. And when they end, they beautifully write, Samar Vijay Raghubir ke charit, Je sunahi sujan. What is the meaning? The Lord rewards with everlasting victory, wisdom, and worldly prosperity those men of good understanding who listen to the stories relating to the victory of Sri Ram. Good understanding, huh? Not wrong understanding. Vijay Vivek Vibhuti Neet Tinhi Dehi Bhagavan. What is it? What will the Lord give? Vijay, victory, right? Vivek, discretion. Vivek is very, very important. And Vibhuti Neet, all that is needed in this world, prosperity of every kind. Tinahi Deni Bhagavan, who listens to the story of this Lord with proper understanding. There is a disclaimer, ऐसे नहीं कि सुन लिया. With your mind and heart in place, in the pure sense, you'll get Vijay, Vivek, and ultimate prosperity. Yeh kalikal malayant man kari dekho vichar. What is it saying? Ponder well, see for yourself, O my mind. This age of Kali is very home of impurities, isn't it? Right? Shri Raghunath naam taji, nahin an adhar. There is nothing to fall back upon in this age other than the name of Lord Ram. And ये सोच के प्रभु राम का नाम अपने हृदय में बसा लीजिए. कलयुग में नाम आधार, सुमिर सुमिर नर उतरे ही पार. जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान.